Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the paint run quickly, because once it skins over the repair is harder. Lightly mark each run so you know what to remove, and lay down a drop cloth to protect nearby surfaces. Use a razor or small scraper at a low angle to shave excess without gouging. Work slowly so you only remove the bulge. Once done, lightly sand the area with 300-400 grit to feather the edge and create a smooth surface for the next coat. Once the run is level, clean the area thoroughly so paint will adhere. Use a tack cloth or denatured alcohol to remove dust and grease. If sanding left a low spot, apply a thin primer or light filler, then sand smooth after it cures. When you repaint, apply thin passes, half to a full light coat, working from the feathered edge outward to blend. This reduces texture and prevents a new run. Make sure to keep the wet edge and let each thin layer flash off before the next. You complete the fix by applying the final matching finish in multiple thin coats. Thin coats level better and hide the repair. If using spray, hold the gun slightly farther and use overlapping strokes to avoid building up. After the last coat, wet sand with 600-800 grit if you need an ultra-smooth result, then polish if required. If you see orange peel or another sag, reduce paint flow, increase gun distance, and improve flash time between passes to prevent repeating the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.